Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make another homemade sauce. A Romesco sauce. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. So let me show you how to make it. Begin with a little prep work. Grab a saute pan and put it over medium to high heat. When the pan is hot, add 1 cup, or roughly about 100 grams, of slivered almonds to the dry pan. Continuously stir and shimmy and shake the almonds until they're lightly toasted and golden brown. Add them to a plate or a bowl and put them to the side for later. That's it for the prep work, nothing too difficult there. Round up the rest of the ingredients and you're ready to make the easy Romesco sauce. For this recipe you'll need an 8 cup or 2 liter food processor. Drop in 1.5 cups or 300 grams of fire roasted red peppers that have been chopped. Then add 1 14.5 ounce or 411 gram can of fire roasted tomatoes. Snag the toasted almonds and drop them in. If you're not into almonds, hazelnuts would be another great option for this recipe. And because it's homemade, you could even go with half almonds, half hazelnuts. Make it how you like it. Next, add the juice of half of a lemon. Pour in 1 teaspoon of sherry vinegar. It can also be substituted with red wine vinegar. Drop in 2 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next up to bat, some shrubbery, 1/4 cup of flat leaf parsley that's been chopped. Snag a few sprigs of thyme, remove the leaves, and add them to the mix. Hit the spice rack, grab hot smoked paprika, and add half of a teaspoon. Last item for this unbelievably easy and quick recipe for a Romesco sauce, 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice. Crank the food processor up and give it a blitz until it's as smooth as you like. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After a few quick minutes, you have this, a from-scratch Romesco sauce. You can use it as a condiment for roasted vegetables, grilled fish, throw it on some eggs or add it to an omelet, add it to some delicious homemade bread, why not? You can either have it on the spot or put it into a glass container, cover it, put it in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight even better to marry those flavors. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a quick and easy homemade Romesco sauce. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.